Welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel on this Black Crypto Thursday. I'm going to call it Black Crypto Thursday because all crypto is on sale today. And not only is crypto on sale today, my favorite thing to talk about, Moneygram, is also on sale today. Moneygram got as low as $1.40 today at some point. I never saw the $1.40. They got it listed right here. I never saw it. But I did buy in at 143. So I got in right around here somewhere. Yeah, it would have been right around here somewhere around lunchtime. That's when I got in a little bit more Moneygram shares. This is an incredible thing that's happening right now. You can buy Moneygram shares in the $1.50 range right now. I know what you're saying, but it keeps going down. This is a company that is all over the world. They've got cash coming in. They've got investment capital coming in. They're not going away. This isn't a company that's going to be bankrupt by a coronavirus panic. And you can buy shares of this company at $1.56 right now. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'm hoping it goes lower because right now, I say it all the time. I don't want to pay my bills. I don't want to eat lunch. This is a special time. This is a crash that you won't see for a long time. They have trumped this coronavirus thing up and put people. Remember how I've said in previous videos, some people's entire life depends on somebody on a news channel telling them how to live. And it is very apparent that a lot of investors live their life through news media because they are dumping everything. Look at Bitcoin. $4,700 for a Bitcoin that is about to halve in May. This could be the best buy of your life at $4,700. And it looks like it may even be going lower. I don't like to wish bad things on people. I believe in karma. But the greedy guy in me wants this thing to go to zero, of course. I mean, obviously, you want it to go very low where poor people like me can buy in and get a whole bunch of it and, build my wealth portfolio up a little bit, whenever we come out of this coronavirus thing. XRP was at 13 cents. About 30 minutes ago. I bought more this morning when it hit 15 cents. I just had to buy more at 13 cents. I really didn't have the money to buy any with, but I pulled the trigger. Now I got to figure out how to survive without the money I spent on more cryptocurrency. I really don't think I had a choice but to buy. That's just my opinion and my feelings on what's going on right now. These are full-blown panic prices, just people dumping everything they have for cash. I saw something earlier about Bitcoin being the lowest it's been in 7 years. Maybe, yeah. Down 26%, Bitcoin sees the worst sell-off in 7 years as coronavirus spurs flight to safety. Bitcoin was supposed to be the safety. Now they're calling cash the safety. And then they use a picture, which I'm assuming since it's in black and white, and this looks like a bunch of old equipment, this is a reference to the Great Depression era crashes, stock market crash. When even cash you couldn't even use cash at some point. I mean, the only safe haven is going to be actual gold. And that's the only reason I could see for anyone cashing everything out into literal cash and then maybe trying to get gold. I don't know. I don't know what the play is. I know what my play is. I'm going to keep buying. I don't see no reason to not buy. We all know that this is a full-blown panic. Let me refresh this thing. I don't think it runs live. Yeah, see, we've already bounced back up a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm just going to cut this off short because I want to get this out there in case maybe one of my subscribers doesn't know how bad this is right now. Well, how good it is for us, the buyers, and how bad it is as far as people are in panic mode and need to quit watching the news, and they need to look at reality versus the news. We all know how to keep ourselves healthy. You wash your hands. You take care of yourself. Take care of the people around you. Don't be Rudy Gobert and go out there and start touching everything, making jokes and all that. I mean, I'm all for a good joke, but it's not a joke for you to wipe your germs on purpose on everything other people are using. Not to mention that even if you weren't sick and there was something on those microphones and things he was slapping around, now he has it and now he's taking it into the locker room and giving it to other people. Lots of reports coming out on that. I think that's part of just being young. I'll chalk it up to that. Not a bad guy, just being young. You know, we've all been young. We've all done dumb things. I know I have done a lot of dumb things. But I'll tell you what's not dumb. It's not dumb to buy all this. If you got the money, buy it all. That's what I'm saying. I don't have the money to buy it all, so I bought more XRP and I bought more Moneygram today. I wish I could buy more Bitcoin. I can't pay my bills because I keep buying all this stuff, so I got to deal with that on down the line. But that's what I got today. I'm going to get this out there real quick. Like and subscribe, ring the bell. My computer's been down, so I've been away. I had to switch over to my mining computer for my personal computer. My last computer had an i5 in it. It was able to do all the video editing. And then an undisclosed accident happened with that computer. I had to use my mining computer now that had a Celeron in it. That was brutal trying to edit video with a Celeron. I found an i3 7000 for fairly cheap. I didn't think it was going to be much of an improvement, but I gotta say, even the i3 7000 was unbelievably better than a Celeron, the highest level Celeron that I was using as a mining processor. And all I did was throw an i3 into a mining motherboard, and huge improvement. Anybody that's ever looking to upgrade from a Celeron, if you just go from the Celeron to the i3, huge improvement. Do not be scared. But anyways, that's off topic. I'm going to get this out there. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Common Sense Crypto out.